Hi, I'm Bala Yogesh from AC department. My topic is rectifier. A rectifier is a device that converts alternating current to DC current. It is used for to rectify AC to DC for storing batteries like mobile phones, laptops, computer, etc. The rectifiers can be take a wide variety of physical form, from vacuum tube diode and crystal radio receiver to moderate silicon based design. The rectifier is two types, one half-wave rectifier and another one is full-wave rectifier. Now we see a half-wave rectifier. The type of rectifiers that convert only half cycle of AC to DC is known as a half-wave rectifier. The simple rectifiers can half-wave rectifiers work by eliminating one side of AC. The another one side of AC is uh, another one side of AC is wasted since half of the AC power input is unused. Half-wave rectifier produce a very ineffectual conversion. Now we see the diagram. This is a structure of a half-wave rectifier. That center part is a transformer and one diode is there and load resistance also here. We pass AC voltage. That diode takes a forward bias only, so that positive wave only come output that DC. It is not in a pure form, it's a pulse DC. This is a half rectifier that in a diagram. And next we see the half-wave rectifier disadvantage. This only allow a half cycle throw per sine waves, only halfway only throw that in sine wave of rectifier, and another one half is wasted. This is a led to power loss. They produce a low output voltage. The output current we obtain in not pure DC, and it is still contain a lot of ripples. This is a disadvantage of half-wave rectifier. Next we see the full-wave rectifiers. The full-wave rectifiers is exactly same of half-wave, but the unidirectional current through the load during the entire sinusoidal cycle, as opposite to only half the cycle in halfway. That halfway only give output of half cycle, but full wave give a full of sinusoidal wave. You see that picture. The sine waves give input. In this picture, the transformer and middle the center tapped full wave rectifier and two diodes is there. One act as a forward and another one act as a negative bias. That forward bias in alternative time and give a current flowly, so that DC is come like this. Another one type of also in this in there is a rectifier that named as bridge rectifier. That is a perfect one. And next we see the application of rectifiers. Because of the property of rectification, it can be utilized as a part of power supply circuitry. Another one is it can be utilized in power supply units with switching mode techniques. During the amplitude of modulating radio signal, rectifier are used the order to supply the voltage in polarized manner. For the purpose of winding rectifier are used. These are the applications. So we see the rectifier definitions, types and applications. These are guys the rectifier means. Thank you.